So on January 13, our dad decided it was time to head to Manaoag, Pangasinan for a church service. We hit the road at 3:30 in the morning and made it to the minor basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag by 7:15. We arrived just in time for the second mass at 7:30. Welcome to this special place where our Blessed Mother, affectionately called Nuestra Señora de Manaoag or Apo Baquet, is here to wrap you in her loving embrace and support your prayers. Located in the heart of Manaoag, Pangasinan, and lovingly looked after by the Dominican community from the Dominican province of the Philippines. The Basilica has been a shining symbol of faith, hope, and miracles for many years. Over the years, countless people have come here seeking comfort, healing, and guidance under the watchful eye of the miraculous image of Our Lady of the Holy Rosary. She is a mother who listens, intercedes, and cares deeply for the sick, the tired, and anyone in need. Whether you're visiting as a pilgrim, a devoted follower, or just someone looking for peace, we hope you find comfort and divine grace in this sacred space. For everyone who doesn't speak Ilocano, let me break it down for you. Apo Baquet is a term used to show affection and respect. It literally means venerable matriarch, noble lady, or elderly woman. This title is especially used for the Virgin Mary in northern Luzon, like with Our Lady of Manaoag in Pangasinan, Our Lady of Piat in Cagayan, and Our Lady of Namakpakan in La Union. We wrap up our trip by paying our respects to Our Lady of Manaoag, where we took a moment to pray and light some candles. I also took some time to explore their beautiful rosary garden.
ka lang ang tubo. Sa Marawag.
Hindi ko lang po alam, baka yung
Ito ba yung yung patupan?
sila doon sa tatlo. May iba po tuloy kami nakakaligo sila.
Dahil nawala kami ate.
Naligaw-ligaw kami. Galing kami sa Manawag.
Kumain ka pa.
Hindi kagaya yung sa iba, tinunaw na
Balik na. Ito, ano, report na eh.
ha?
Well, naubos ka na ata. Ito ba?
Sarap.
Tinikman mo ba? Oo, ito.
Tama.
Masarap.
Huh?
Yung parang gano'n nga din daw.
Dahil katas nga yung ano,
Anong masasabi niyo po?
hindi ba namumunga yung puri? Putulin na nga yung bulak-bulak.
Ano ba yung puri? Hindi ko kasi nakakita.
Maglakad ka pa doon.
Hmm?
Pag di pa doon. Dito ay.